So these are the components of the soil, no? Kung makikita nyo itong ating diagram or itong figure, actually tinatawag siya na three-phase system. So wag po kayong malito diyan, no? So ang ibig sabihin po ng three-phase system, isipin nyo lang, that is solid, liquid, and gas. Yan po yung tatlong component, three-phase system. So ano po yung tatlo? Yung isa ay solid, which is composed of mineral and organic. Yung another, sa liquid naman ay soil water. Sa gas ay yung soil air. But actually, the component of the soil is divided mainly, no, generally into two. The first half is tinatawag na solid. The other half naman ay space. So 50-50 po yan. 50% for the solid, 50% for the space. But that solid na 50% ay divided into two, which is the mineral. So ito po yung mineral. When we say mineral, guys, that is coming from how it contains elements or tinatawag natin na inorganic. Dalawa lang po kasi yan eh. Whether organic or inorganic. Another term for inorganic is mineral matter. Okay? We have organic matter na 5%. No? What are those organic matter? Whether decomposed or undecomposed, which are coming from the plants and animals. Those are organic materials. Sa space naman, yung nilalaman ng ating space ay dalawa. More or less equal po yan. Depende sa situation. So, for example, malakas yung ulan, tataas yung amount ng water, soil water. Pag wala namang tubig, tataas ulit yung amount of air in the soil. So kaya, kung makikita nyo ito, meron po siyang range from 20 to 30. The same pa rin sa water, from 20 to 30. Pero pag i-average nyo po yung 20 and 30, that is 25. So meaning, the air component is 25% and the water component is 25%. So a total of 100. Take note guys dito sa pore space. Sa air po natin guys is composed of nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Pero maliliit lang po yung amount ng nitrogen and oxygen. Yung pinakamataas po dyan ay yung carbon dioxide. So, my question is, ilang percent nga, di ba, yung ating atmosphere is composed of gases and yung may pinakamaraming percentage po sa ating atmosphere, ano pong gas yung may mataas na percentage sa ating atmosphere? You can answer in the chat box po. Babasahin po natin. Ano po yung may pinakamataas na percentage na gas? Sa atmosphere po ha, hindi po sa soil, sa atmosphere. Yung oxygen po natin ay 21. Pangalawa lang po yan. Yun. Thank you, Sir Kirby. How about the others? Okay, sabi ni Sir Kirby, nitrogen, which is 78%. Okay, that's correct, no? Sir Kirby, thank you. Yun, ang pinakamataas na percentage, ang may pinakamataas na percentage na gas sa atmosphere is the nitrogen, and which is 78%. But in the soil, lesser po yan. So yung may pinakamataas na gas po or air sa ating soil is the carbon dioxide. Ito, CO2. Ano po yung rason? It is because of the decomposition, respiration of microorganisms and other macroorganisms. Like lahat po ng bacteria nag-respire, fungi, and any other microorganisms. When we respire, naglalabas po tayo ng carbon dioxide. Kaya mas mataas yung carbon dioxide in the soil. Kaya nga, kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong tinatawag na zero tillage. Zero tillage, ang purpose po niyan is to combat or to reduce the emission of carbon dioxide. Bakit? Kasi pag we are cultivating the soil, nadidisturb yung soil, dati plain po yan, ngayon ay nabibreak natin, na-open. So ang tendency po niyan guys is they will be released to the atmosphere. Kaya nag-a-add po siya ng carbon dioxide is one of the greenhouse gases. No? So yun, so because of agriculture, nare-release po yung mga carbon dioxide. That's why meron po tayong global warming ngayon. So isa po yan sa mga dahilan. Okay? Question? We have this question. Can you answer this question? Assessment lang po ito doon sa ating discussion kanina. You can type your answer in the chat box.